Fix Forza Horizon 6 error code E9, load failed, an error occurred while trying to load save data. 1. Restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again after reboot. 2. Check Xbox Microsoft account sync, sign into the correct Xbox account, wait for cloud save sync to complete, don't interrupt syncing during launch. 3. Verify game files, open Steam or Xbox app, go to Forza Horizon 6 properties, click Verify integrity of game files. 4. Backup, save files. Locate your Forza save folder, copy all save data to a safe location, keep backup before making any changes. 5. Delete corrupted save cache. Remove damaged temporary save cache files. Keep backup saves untouched. Relaunch game to regenerate fresh files. 6. Reset Xbox app and gaming services. Open Windows settings, apps, repair or reset Xbox app. Do the same for gaming services. 7. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart router if needed. Avoid VPN or proxy services. 8. Update Windows and GPU drivers. Install latest Windows updates. Update NVIDIA, AMD, Intel graphics drivers. Restart PC after updates. 9. Run game as administrator. Right-click game shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam Xbox app as admin. 10. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover files manually. Install a fresh copy again and relaunch.